Are you looking for the best laptop desk for bed? In this video we will look at some of the best laptop desk for bed on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SAIJI Leather Adjustable Laptop Bed. Boyator Laptop Stand, with its adjustable height ranging from 3.9 inches to 7.4 inches, caters to the diverse work and study needs of individuals. A simple button on the back facilitates easy customization. Its robust design, featuring two 3mm metal base plates and a support rod, can support up to 11 lbs. The stand ensures stability with large rubber pads on both the top and bottom sides, preventing scratches and sliding. Boasting full ergonomic functionality, it transforms your laptop into a posture-perfect desktop workstation, reducing neck and back strain associated with prolonged desk work. Similarly, the Besine LS10 aluminum laptop stand offers broad compatibility for laptops size 10, 14, including popular brands like Air, Pro, Lenovo ThinkPad, Dell, HP, Asus, and Chromebook. Its ergonomic design allows adjustable height and angle without the need for tools, minimizing neck fatigue and enhancing comfort. Made of premium aluminum alloy, the stand supports up to 13 lbs, ensuring stability. The rubber holder hands tightly grip the laptop, preventing wobbling and scratches. Number 2. Mind Reader Anchor Collection. The Mind Reader Anchor Collection offers a versatile solution with its ergonomic design, catering to the comfort of both adults and children. Whether you're working on the go, enjoying a meal, or setting up a home workstation, this multi-purpose lap desk has got you covered. It features integrated storage with a built-in drawer to keep your documents, photos, notebooks, and pens organized. Durability meets practicality, as this lap desk is built to withstand daily use and can be easily cleaned with mild soap and warm water. The compact dimensions, measuring 18.75 L x 11.25 W x 7.25 H and weighing 2.53 lbs, make it a perfect fit for various spaces. With the Mind Reader Anchor Collection, you can enjoy a comfortable and organized workspace wherever you go. Number 3. SONGMICS Bamboo Laptop Desk. The SONGMICS Bamboo Laptop Desk is a versatile and convenient solution for those who prefer a multi-purpose lap desk. With a spacious 21.7 x 13.8 inch desktop, it comfortably accommodates laptops up to 15.6 inches and can hold up to 17 pounds. Whether you're surfing the net, reading, or engaging in arts and crafts, this lap desk provides ample space. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, the desk is not only environmentally friendly but also highly durable, comparable to solid wood. Its specially constructed tabletop can withstand heavy loads without wearing out or deforming over time. Number 4. Adjustable TV Tray Table. The adjustable TV tray table is a versatile and practical solution for various home applications. Designed to serve as a TV dinner tray, couch table, folding table, snack tray, and more, it offers convenience for everyday use. With a width of 20.5 inches and a depth of 15.5 inches, this tray table provides ample space for different activities. One standout feature is its adjustable height, ranging from 20.8 inches to 28 inches, catering to various preferences and needs. The tray also offers 3 tilt positions, allowing users to find the most comfortable angle for their activities, whether it's watching TV, working on a laptop, or enjoying a meal. The inclusion of a stabilizing rod enhances the overall stability of the tray, ensuring a secure platform for your items. Number 5. LAPGEAR Home Office Lap Desk. The LAPGEAR Home Office Lap Desk is a versatile and convenient solution for your work and leisure needs. With dimensions perfectly tailored for laptops up to 15.6 inches, it provides ample space for your devices and accessories. The built-in device ledge and integrated mousepad ensure a secure and user-friendly experience, while the phone slot keeps your smartphone within easy reach. Designed for comfort and stability, the lap desk features a dual bolster microbead cushion that adapts to your lap, offering a cool and steady surface. The portable nature of this lap desk is enhanced by its lightweight build of 2.14 pounds and a sturdy carry handle, making it easy to move around your home or take on the go. Whether you're working from home,